Hello everyone. Today we will see how to select records using case in MySQL. So the syntax for that is select, then case, when some condition, then and some expression. Now that expression can be in the form of text, that can be in form of number. Now if it is in form of text, then we have to write it in single inverted comma or double inverted comma, and if it is a number, then simply we can write it without single and double inverted comma. Fine. So we can put another condition like when one more condition if you want to put, you can put it. So you can have number of cases, and based on that you can distinguish your data. The end of case statement will be using end keyword, and then we have to write from and then table name. So this one is the syntax for the case in the select query. Fine. So let us see the example of that. Now I'm having a table which contains employee details. Now in that table I'm having one column that is called employee salary. Now from that I want to distinguish the employee salary is below some amount, in between some amount, and over some amount. Fine. So for that, let us say select, then I'm going to write the case, and in case I will write like when EMP salary is less than 50,000, then I'm going to write one text that is say below. I'm going to write another case that is say when employee salary greater than 50,000 and less than employee salary less than 60,000, then I'm going to take it as a between, and let me consider the last case. So for the remaining cases we can also write else in this. Fine. So else, apart from that, if the salary doesn't fall in between these two conditions, then it will fall in other conditions, say that is called over, and the case statement will be ended by using and. Fine. Now I have to write from and then table name. The table name is employee. I hope this one is clear to you. Fine. So the case statement is there. In case we have taken various three options, three cases. One is one case is having the condition less than 50,000, another case is having the condition less greater than 50,000 and less than 60,000, and remaining cases will be in else part. Fine. Even if I am not going to write an else part, then I have to write the condition for that. Okay, so let us execute this first, so we'll get better idea about it. Fine. So this one is the result of that query. Now to get better idea, let me add few more columns over here, like employee name, and employee salary I'm going to add, so you can have better idea about the query. Fine. So the query is something like this: select employee first name, employee salary, and based on that salary it will write the value in third column. Even you can give the name or alias name to this case statement. Say for example, I'm going to give the name, say slab. Fine. And which particular slab it is? It is in below slab, between slab, or over slab. Fine. So let us execute this. Okay, so here we get the output, say Smith. Fine. The very first employee name is Smith. The employee salary is 80,000 and it is in over slab. Fine. Snehal 75,000 over, Adama 75,000 over, Aman 57,000 between. Let me check the case for the below. Yes, in case of Jiten, the salary is 45,000, so it is in below category. So this way we can use the case statement in the MySQL. Apart from this, suppose if I'm not going to write this last part, over part, fine. So what will happen in this case? I'm having only two cases, one where the salary is less than 50,000 and another where the salary is in between 50,000 and 60,000. What should be there in case of the remaining cases that I have not mentioned over here? So what kind of result will be generated in that case? Let us see. In that particular case, wherever we have not specified the condition, at the in that positions it is going to write null. Fine. So even I can write one more condition, like say when employee salary is greater than 60,000, then I'm going to write over. Fine. Now let us see the output. Fine. So here I'm getting the output in this way. So this way we can use case statement into our query. So thank you very much.